Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to reduce the size and resolution of an image in Figma. This can make uploading, sharing, or website performance a whole lot smoother, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly get your images down to just the right size without losing quality you need. Let's get started. So say you have an image in your Figma project that's just too large for what you need. Whether you're preparing assets for a website, sending a file to a client, or just want to save on storage space. The good news is Figma makes resizing and changing resolution super straightforward. First things first, make sure you already have your image in the Figma canvas. If you haven't added one yet, you can just drag and drop your image file right into your project. For this tutorial, I've already got an image ready to go. Simply click on the image you want to resize, just a single click to select it. You'll see the bounding box appear around your image, letting you know it's active. With your image selected, look over to the right-hand panel and head to the Design tab. You'll find this at the top right. It's labeled, that's where we want to be. Now scroll down just a touch if you need to, until you spot the Export section at the bottom of this panel. Sometimes people miss it if they're working with a smaller screen or lots of layers, so don't worry if you have to look around for a second. Next, click the plus button, which adds an export setting to your image. Here, where the magic happens, you'll see a dropdown on the left side of your newly added export setting. This dropdown lets you pick the resolution for your export. By default, Figma sets this to 1x, meaning the image exports at its original size. But let's say you want a smaller version for web, email, or just trimming unneeded pixels. Go ahead and click that dropdown. You'll notice options like 0.75x or 0.5x. These lower the size and resolution of the exported image, making your file lighter and easier to handle. Think of 1x as your original size and 0.5x as half the width and height, so it takes up just a quarter of the original pixel space. You can even type in a custom value if you need something like 0.8x, totally up to you for that fine-tuned control. Let's select 0.5x for this example. That means Figma will export your image at half its original resolution, nicely compacted for web or sharing. If you're not sure which setting to use, you can always experiment. Figma gives you a preview of the final size after you export. There's no harm in trying a few different resolutions to find the one that balances quality and file size. Finally, all you need to do is click the Export button beside your chosen resolution. Figma will prompt you to save the new resized image on your computer, and just like that, you've got a smaller version ready to go. This step might take a few moments, especially if your original image is large, so don't worry if your computer spins for a second. And that's it, you've reduced your image size and resolution right inside Figma without needing any extra software. Super handy for optimizing files for web or faster uploads. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want tips about other Figma tricks. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.